What's up, guys? John and Catherine from Old Reading Farm, along with Pepper and Peanut. We actually just got some hatching eggs from Roots and Dreams Farm. We actually won a little giveaway they had on their Instagram page. Definitely check them out. We are unboxing it now, then we're going to be getting started with incubation. So this is going to be our first time really trying hatching eggs with an incubator. We're pretty excited. Let's see how it goes. So Catherine's putting on gloves so that the oils from her hands don't block up the pores on the egg. And so we got 12 olive eggers and 3 Welsers. Look at those eggs.
I would love to have a chicken that laid eggs this color. They're really hard to get out of this box.
So maybe we want to try to get them out of the box.
Out of the box.
There's box number 1. Packed up very nicely.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for that. And so we'll take a look and make sure that they all came through, but they look pretty good.
Look at how pretty that egg is.
Check that out. Look how nice those look. It'd be so cool to have chickens that lay eggs that dark. Goals.
So now we'll stick them in an eggubator.
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 Eggubator. Thanks again to Roots and Dreams Farm. We really appreciate the contest win. We'll put a link to Roots and Dreams Farm down in the description below.
Maxi 2 Eco. Easy to use, high quality egg incubators. See about that.
See about that.
There she blows.
There she blows.
All right, so here he is. He's turned on, red light. We've got water in him, which you put in right there. And we're gonna let him cook empty for a little bit to see what the thermometer right there gets to. And then we're gonna load him up.
So now we got all of our eggs. Catherine is just marking them so that we know which side they're on when we turn them. Hey, Pepper. So we have these eggs that we got from Roots and Dreams Farms, and we also have some eggs from our rooster that we're going to put in here as well.
We don't know how studly he is, so we don't know if they'll do their thing or not, but
Take a chance.
let's try.
So we got this all up to temp. Roots and Dreams Farm says to put it at 99.5. So that's what we've got it at.
Okay, let's duck that.
All right. So we got them in there. Now we'll see if they'll hatch. Hey guys, what's up? Coming to you from the dark kitchen in our house. It is currently day 11 of our eggs. So we're just gonna do a little amateur candling and see if we see anything. Let's see.
Go! This is an FME.
Okay, so this is the mint egger from Roots and Dreams Farms.
So we think that
Is that something? We don't know what we're doing, but I mean that clearly looks like something.
right.
I'm not sure if that's a thing or not. This one is from our boyfriend, and we hadn't seen any action before, so hopefully. Oh, is that?
Oh, look at.
Oh, that's veins.
Veins.
Ah, Norman.
So that veins means they're working. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's hard to see. Sorry.
It is really hard to see, but
it's not just. Oh, look at that.
It looks like there is a little baby in there.
Oh.
So that's good because we took a quick look at these, I think after a week, and saw nothing.
Oh wow!
from
Look
O-rings.
at that. Can you see that?
No.
No. Can you see that? Yo, yeah,
It's
look,
moving
just
around.
moved. Ah! That was so cool. That was like an ultrasound of a baby chicken.
Oh, that's awesome.
I can see it moving. That's so cool, guys.
That's so cool.
So we'll see what this is. Oh, this
Okay.
is another mint egg.
Okay, great. Let's check one of the other Marantz.
Yeah. Okay, so these are well summers, right?
Whatever they are. Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
It's real dark.
Yeah. Okay, so that's. Can't really see much there, but then when you turn it, see how dark it is?
Completely black.
So there's something in there. Sorry, it's so hard to see. See that right there, that dark spot?
Yeah.
Maybe that's a baby chicken. Do you
Hopefully.
think? So these two are like a more greeny color. These are our eggs that are
Yeah.
Norman's.
Norman's our frizzle rooster.
Anybody who asks us about a friendly rooster online, we always tell them that we have a friendly frizzle. Wow, I can't see anything in this one.
So this is an egg that we're currently incubating. You can see the little chicken baby moving around in there. A little bit crazy.
Oh, what? Look at that! Oh, what? Oh, look, it's like a little baby head.
Yeah.
So cool.
So this is the production of our egg. This is Norman's baby. We have one other hatching right now. But so far, he's the only one to come out. But he's good and healthy and in the brooder, and his sibling will be with him shortly.